What is the latest news on the U.S. Israeli war with Iran? 2026. What is the latest news on the U.S. Israeli war with Iran? The conflict is escalating fast with new military strikes and regional chaos. You need to know what's happening right now. The U.S. military carried out another round of strikes on Iran, confirmed by a U.S. official to CBS News on Wednesday. In addition, U.S. forces seized an Iranian-flagged cargo ship, intensifying tensions. These actions come amid a fragile ceasefire that is now at risk of collapse as hostilities continue to flare between the U.S., Israel, and Iran. In Iran's capital, Tehran, large crowds have set fire to U.S. and Israeli flags, showing rising anger and nationalism amid the conflict. Meanwhile, tens of thousands of residents in northern Israel have been forced to evacuate their homes due to repeated rocket and drone attacks by Hezbollah militants, signaling how the war is spreading beyond Iran itself. Iran's parliament speaker Mohammad Baqer has issued strong nuclear threats as the situation worsens. These developments are shaking global oil markets, with prices reacting sharply to the threat of prolonged conflict. The war risks destabilizing not just the region, but also the global economy due to interrupted oil supplies and heightened geopolitical tensions. Reuters has been offering live, real-time coverage of the U.S.-Israeli conflict with Iran, tracking strikes, Iranian retaliation, nuclear threats, and the broader risk of regional war. Their live page for May 31, 2026 is now closed, but ongoing updates continue to inform the world about this fast-moving crisis. What this means for you is clear. This conflict could impact global oil prices, security in the Middle East, and possibly escalate further. Stay informed as the situation evolves. Hit subscribe now to get daily updates on this critical story.